Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy coins on TikTok using your credit or debit card. So let's jump right straight into this video. We launch the TikTok app. Next, visit your profile home by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So after making it to your profile, you click on the menu button at the top right corner, the three horizontal lines. Next, you click on settings and privacy. Next, you click on balance. So you're going to see that we still have some coins left here. About 10 coins. So we're going to buy a new one. So in order for us to recharge, you can click on get coins. Or you could also click on recharge button if you find it on your account. If you just want to buy 70 coins, which will cost about 1,700 naira. But let's click on get coins to buy new coins. So next, you're going to select the number of coins you want to buy. Alright, so for this tutorial, we're just going to focus on buying 70 more. So I'm going to select 70. You could also decide to buy 1,050 coins. Alright, so that's going to cost you about 25,300 naira. So we're going to go for the 70 coins. Then we click on recharge. So we're going to select one of these are cards. So select the first one. So the first one is a UBA card. So we're gonna buy right now. So you can see the payment was successful. So we successfully bought 70 coins. Okay, so you can see the debit has come. Very easy. Okay, so that's all for this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So you could also click on transactions to see all your transactions you've done before. Seems like the prices are increasing. Okay, so let's go back. So bye for now.